How to fix Snapchat not showing friends. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Snapchat not showing your friends. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll got such interface. So from your tap on your profile icon, just at the top left corner. Alright, so from your tap on settings, just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like clear data. So it will appear at the privacy control section. So simply tap on the option clear data. Alright, so from your tap on clear cache. And now from here you can easily go the option clear cache, and after you clear the cache of Snapchat application, you will be easily able to fix that problem. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here, and from this profile section you'll have to go the options like add friends. So simply tap on the option add friends. Alright, so from this section you can easily find out your suggested friends on your Snapchat account. So if you are not still finding this option, you can easily go in this hospital and type for the specific friends on here, and after you find it, you'll have to just add on your Snapchat account. And if you are still not finding that friends on Snapchat, it means that that friends or account might be block you on Snapchat. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.